पेट्रोल संवर्धनाचेर जागृताय हाडपाक भारत सरकार एक वेगळो उपक्रम घेवन मुखार आयलो। 15 जानेर ते 15 फेब्रुवारी मजगती ह्या संदर्भात जागृताय पुराय देशभरात जाली। बिरेस्तारा ह्या जागृताय मोहिमेची सांगाता जाली। IDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
So basically, in order to increase awareness about petroleum conservation, the government of India has come up with an initiative to celebrate a month starting from 15th of January to 15th of February in order to create awareness regarding conservation of petroleum fuels among the masses, among the people. So being officers from oil companies, we have taken many initiatives together in order to increase the awareness. Many of these initiatives included having a cyclothon on 21st January with more than 100 people and having drawing competitions in various schools and also having involving various industries in doing mass awareness campaigns at various schools, industries, factories and even Kadamba bus transport and other sectors where there is heavy usage of petroleum fuels. So this program comes to close today itself on 15th of February 2018. But we tend to take this initiative forward and inculcate the habit of fuel conservation in all the people on a longer term because 80% of the fuel that we import is from outside. So it causes a heavy burden on the government in terms of purchasing power. So any saving of fuel will result into great saving of the Indian.
Valedictory function of the Oil and Gas Conservation Month has taken place in Margao. The focus of this whole program has been to involve the consumers, and our effort has been to link this program, which is predominantly a program of petroleum companies, to the consumers. So one good development that has taken place this time is we were able to integrate the Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs right from the inaugural by getting the Honorable Minister to open the program and also to link the civil supply inspectors of all talukas. Now we have taken up this matter with the petroleum companies that in the entire year 2018-19 we are going to push this program very strongly among consumers as well as government departments. As you know, Government of Goa has about 5,000 vehicles. Now, through the Directorate of Municipal Administration and Panchayats, that the flow of the message can go systematically, because if this message of conservation, which is oil and gas, is registered with the consumer, our big success will be on the conservation message for electricity and water, because these are the two issues Goa is going to face in a big way. So that is why we are very actively from GoaCan associated with this program, and therefore we have said to the petroleum companies that during the year 2018-19, we will take this message at a very systematic way to all these levels of participation.